I can't believe what I just discovered, and neither will you. Imagine transforming your text into breathtaking Hollywood-level movies in a matter of seconds. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, meet Cine AI, the groundbreaking text-to-video AI tool that's like having your own digital production team on call. From jaw-dropping action sequences to dreamy cinematic landscapes, Cine AI brings words to life, and it's all automated. We're entering a world where anyone, yes, anyone, can become a filmmaker. Stay tuned, because I'm about to show you how powerful and revolutionary this truly is. Let's break it down. Cine AI works through a simple but cutting-edge three-phase process. First, the AI processes your text input through natural language understanding, or NLU, to figure out exactly what kind of movie you're imagining, whether it's a dystopian thriller or a romantic sunset on the beach. Then, its built-in visual engine generates realistic scenes, lighting, and camera movements, automatically. And the final touch? An AI sound designer steps in to create the perfect soundtrack. All this happens in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. It's like having James Cameron in your pocket, minus the billion-dollar studio. You might be wondering, can an AI really match human creativity? Well, here's where Cine AI changes the narrative. One creator used it to produce a short film showcasing Mars colonization. The result? It went viral. The AI nailed the futuristic vibes and even incorporated subtle lighting shifts to mimic atmosphere changes. Can you believe that level of detail came from a few typed sentences? And here's the kicker. It even optimized the script's pacing for maximum audience engagement. Traditional filmmaking might take months for a similar result. Cine AI, minutes. Now you thought that sounded good. Let me blow your mind further. Cine AI already integrates with platforms like TikTok and YouTube, offering tailor-made templates for creators to churn out viral content at lightning speed. This means influencers can up their game overnight, producing gripping storylines and engaging visuals that you simply can't scroll past. But it's not just for content creators. Picture businesses using this tech for advertising, travelers crafting video blogs with cinematic flair, and students creating visually stunning presentations for class projects. Cine AI is breaking barriers across industries. The possibilities are endless. Here's the catch. Tools like Cine AI remind us of just how fast tech is evolving. Imagine where it could take us in 5 or even 10 years. Could traditional directors, scriptwriters, or cinematographers become a thing of the past? Tell us your thoughts down below. And remember, in the world of technology, the future is always closer than you think. Stay curious, keep exploring, and don't blink. You may just miss what's coming next.